The Homowo Festival is the annual festival of the Gan people which has been celebrated over the years with pomp and pageantry. Homowo, which means hooting at hunger, is celebrated to mark the bumper harvest after a prolonged famine due to the drought suffered by ancestors during their exodus from Israel to their present settlement. The La Homowo Festival is celebrated with the unique songs and dance known as Palala and Kpasɔlemɔ respectively. This year's theme for the Homowo Festival is Development Through Good Neighborhoodness and Peace, the role of traditional festivals. Literally, no ya kechon nyami femo ye ejno ke twenjolem obuade afiyeli bena. The celebration spans a period of 4 months. It starts from the 3rd week of May and ends in the 2nd week of September. Some of the rites performed during the La festivals are Yeleyeli, Nshobulemo, Bemila, Kpasɔlemɔ, among others. Festival brought people from all walks of life, from different ethnic groups, religious groups, and of all ages to grace the Kpasɔlemɔ. As a rite of the main festival day, this is carried out on a Wednesday referred to as Kpasɔ. It is performed at the forecourt of the La Kpa deity. During the Kpasɔlemɔ, the chief priest of the La state, the La Kpawulomo, performs rites to the group of shrine, Woko, to consult the ancestors or the supreme for a message to the people of La. After the La Kpawulomo dance with Manche, Nayo Wulomo, the La Mankralu, Shikiteli, Sakumo Wulomo, during the first part of the rite, which ends by midday. La TV official reporter spoke to Nana Ofe Ajiman II, Akwamohini of Otubruhum, has this to say. The second part of the rite is also performed in the late afternoon. During the second part, the dancing floor is open to the princesses, Woye, and the general public. The town folks make merry and go on their procession through the town during the performance of the rite. They greet each other with a special hug referred to people as Shakamo. The ceremony ends at 6 p.m. with the arrival of the Agbunte Manche at the grounds of the rite.